You're silly, Evie.
You're a mess.
Don't do that, please. Yeah, I'll get you one.
Is that good, Evie? Yum.
Strawberries?
Yummy. Yum. Say yum.
Buddy wants strawberries.
What's left of our gourmet meal?
What?
Of course, I'm still eating. We got our meal on food on tape. Is that good, baby? You like chocolate milk?
Yeah.
It's your favorite, huh?
Yeah, my favorite. It makes me so cold.
What'd you say to Daddy for making you chocolate milk?
Thank you, Dada.
You're welcome, sweetie.
I like you, Mama.
I like you too.
I like you too.
I love you too.
And I like you.
And I like you.
And I like you.
And I love you.
I don't want to cuddle.
Cut it just a little bit.
No, I think you don't cuddle that, okay? Okay?
Okay, I won't cut it anymore.
Having strawberries?
Charity.
You gonna get me eating food? Don't get me eating.
I just panned across you. I was getting Tori. She's a messy girl. Look at that.
Yes, it
Look
doesn't
at your
really
food. Look what you got in your hands. Oh my goodness. That's going to be fun to clean up. Finally eating all by herself. 11 months old. Today is the 21st. She's 11 months old today. 11 months old today, Evie May. Beautiful. Even with messy food, you're beautiful. Uh-oh. Came back out of her mouth. Uh-oh. I got that on tape.
Uh-oh.
Dad, she's calling you.